welcome to my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for July of 2019. Oh, gotta be careful. Show that side of the box, not the side with my address on it. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up and jump right in. And inside of the box, I think it's the same thing I said last month. Yeah, okay, because I have the other box right next to me. Don't be pretty like you, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Wow. Wait for me to screw that up. So, this month it's got yellow foam inside of it instead of the blue foam like last month. Do we have a little card that talks about what's in it? We don't. I wish it did. That would make my job easier here, but it doesn't, so that's okay. So, oh wait, yes it does. It was under the other thing. So, it's kind of a little booklet. Here it is. It says, July 2019, dive in, summer is in full swing, let's soak it up with dewy skin, BeatleBabe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long, hashtag Ipsy dive in. And then we've got a page for each one of the products. Let's see here. And then we have your Glam Bag Plus to-do list. Number 1, get to know your products. Check out our site and app to learn about your products, including tips on how to use them, beauty inspo, and so much more. 2, share with us creating a date night smoky eye, walking us through your at-home facial. Post it and tag us at Ipsy, hashtag IpsyDiveIn, so we can see. 3, review your picks, tell us what you think, and let us know what else you'd be interested in receiving in your bag every month. And 4, get even more. We have thousands more products from your favorite brands at ipsy.com/shop. Bonus, you'll get cash back for everything you buy. So, getting right into it. First things first, we have the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist, which I honestly don't really know much about here. Its value is at $15. And step up your summer glow with this lightweight mist. It's formulated with 13 natural essential oils like rose, flower, and lavender, so it should smell really good, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a gorgeous dewy finish. Tip: shake it up. Mist onto skin before makeup or all over your face, hair, and neck throughout the day for a refreshing pick-me-up. What does it say on the thing? All over face mist for a glowing, luminous, and smooth complexion, enriched with 12 natural oils plus propolis, aloe vera, and fruit extracts. Before makeup hydrates, protects, and nourishes. After makeup sets, adds a dewy finish and protects. Anytime refreshes makeup, hydrates, and adds glow. Shake to mix, close eyes, and mist all over face and neck for all skin types. I have makeup on. I don't have setting spray on, so I say screw it, we should put it on. Is there a perforated line? I think there is. So let's... There is. Go ahead and put this on. This is not a review, but I'm gonna just put it on for the sake of putting it on, since I think it's usable in this moment. Where'd the perforated line go? Bugger. Where is it? There it is. Okay. There. Shake, 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 shake. Yo, booty. Alright. Ooh, alright. So it's got a bunch of bubbles floating around in there now. Close my eyes and go. Smells really, really good. I'm trying to dry it, so. Alright, so that does, in fact, feel really refreshing. So I like that. Weirdly, you can totally see the oils from the waters in it, though. So, I mean, that bugs me a bit. It should not be separated like that. Should be all nice and mixed in. Hopefully it was mixed in when I did the thing. Oh, yeah, you can see it's still separating even now. That's kind of crappy, but I guess we'll see how it does, but I mean, it is what it is. So, that's product number 1. Product number 2 was actually an add-on, so there's no info to read on it, but it's another one of the IBY Beauty Poolside Collection Lush Eyeshadows in No Running And this one is purple and gorgeous. I keep saying that. IBY Lush eyeshadows are highly pigmented, buttery, and blendable shades infused with rosehip seed oil for skin protecting properties. So, just like the pink one I got a month or two ago, so this one's purple, and the shade itself is also a gorgeous metallic-y purple. I'm going to look forward to playing with that, but I have makeup on already, so I'm not gonna go ahead and add to that right now, but I am very much looking forward to wearing it. So there's that one. Then we have, where's the page on this one? By Thrive Cosmetics, as in do things for a cause. Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Bryn, and the value is $24 on this. I'll head it upside down. Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara for length plus volume with Orchid Stem Cell Complex. Beauty with a purpose. For every purchase or product purchased, one is donated to help a woman thrive. Hashtag Thrive Cosmetics or thrivecosmetics.com. So here's with and without. I call some BS on that, but we'll see when I get around to trying it. But yeah, flake-free liquid Flake-free liquid fiber technology combines buildable fibers plus Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. Orchid Stem Cell Complex stimulates and encourages lash growth with a defining comb brush which separates lashes. To use, start with wand at the base of your lashes and move outwards towards the tips. So that sounds easy enough to try out, but we're not doing that today, but we will be doing that. And then what it says in the booklet about it, a single swipe of this volumizing lengthening mascara will even help make sparse lashes look like extensions. It comes with an innovative comb brushed wand that adds dimension, separates lashes, and helps prevent clumping, while the formula is infused with Orchid Stem Cell Complex to stimulate lash growth and soft fibers for dramatic length and lift. Tip: hold the wand horizontally at the base of your lashes and swipe mascara outward towards the tips. Apply another coat, including all of the tiny inner corner lashes, and let it dry. Finish off the look by swiping a coat onto your lower lashes. Okay, so there's that. Next we have got, this is the Perlice Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer, and this is valued at $45, guys. This is more than I paid for the whole box. Former Power Rangers villainess Jennifer Yen channels her passion for time-tested Asian skincare rituals into a results-driven multitasking skincare line safe for sensitive skin. Case in point, this lightweight oil-free moisturizer that hydrates and preps your skin for makeup application. Green tea helps protect from fine lines and wrinkles, while white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants soothe skin and help to retain moisture so your skin looks dewy and radiant. Tip: smooth a pea-sized amount onto clean skin before applying your makeup or wear alone. So this is kind of cool. It's always free of parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, and animal cruelty. Let's see here. This says the same thing as that. Yeah, there's nothing on the box that wasn't already there, so I will take it out of the box to show you guys it. It's just a tube, but here's what the tube looks like. I like it a lot, and again, the tube says basically the same thing as the box, so it is what it is, but for the value on it, that's pretty good. It makes me feel better for paying what I do for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box, because I always feel like, oh, is this worth it? And then I get the stuff and I look at the values and I'm like, yeah, it's worth it. So then, from Naked Cosmetics, we have some eyeshadows, and if it's not naked, it's not natural. Truth, though. Naked Cosmetics are the purest, most natural makeup that exists, made of 100% oxidized mica, or naked cosmetics do not contain talc oil, wax, or other fillers that can be harmful to your skin. It is 100% color to give you a pure product that is non-allergenic, non-perishable, and simply beautiful. If it's not naked, it's not natural. Naked, I screwed that up. And these are good for 36 months after opening, so that's a good long time. I admittedly did take these out to look at. They're in the cling wrap together, but there's 4 of them here. So we've got 4 beautiful shades that are all metallic. So we've got one that's kind of a gold, one that's like shimmery taupe, one that's kind of a pearl, one that's very silvery. And this is a $40 value for the 4 of these. Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. These highly pigmented, finely milled, loose pigments blend so easily. Mix and match them to create endless eye looks. Tip: use a dense shader brush to apply SNO2 all over your lids. Blend NNO1 into your eye crease. Smudge SNO4 or SNO5 along your lower lash line with a damp, angled eyeliner brush. But don't stop at eyes. You can also use these pigments as a highlighter or mix with your fave lip glosses or nail polishes to make them shimmery. I don't know if I put them with lip glosses, but the other ideas are good ideas. So, $40 value right there. So, I mean, again, you can see where the values of this quickly pay off and are worth way more than $25 that I pay for the box. And then finally, where's the page on this one? From Huda Beauty is the 3D highlighter palette in pink sands, and this is a $45 value right here. And as we can see, I've been having fun with highlighters lately, so I'm really excited for this. Here's what the box itself looks like on the outside. We're head over heels for anything this beauty influencer turned makeup maven creates. With a mix of 1 creamy and 3 pressed powder pearlescent highlighters, this palette has everything you need to customize your glow. Tip: apply Capri onto the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, and down the bridge of your nose as a base. Dab Santorini from your cheeks to your temples, suck in the cheeks, and apply Azores under your cheekbones to add dimension and shape. Finish by sweeping Ibiza onto the apples of your cheeks for a radiant flush. So let's get this out of the plastic so we can see those colors. Whoop. Alright, and it does have that same thing. Well, this is what was over the things to keep them from having some fallout in the thing. Hold on, let me check my phone here. Oops. Okay. Hold up. Come on, phone. Alright, so here's the colors and what they look like. And this one is Capri, that's one they said to use as a base. On the high points of the face. And then Santorini was the cheeks and temples, so that one's Santorini. So, cheeks and temples. I agree with that. Suck in the cheeks and apply Azores under the cheekbones. That one is Azores, so that would go... maybe. And then Ibiza on the apples of the cheeks for a radiant flush. Yeah, that one does look like a blush. So, alright. I agree with that. That sounds very reasonable. And it actually has that same recommendations on the thing. So, and it is a magnetic box, so it holds it all nice and tight in place. So that's always nice too. So let me just slide that sucker back in here. Oh my goodness. Let's try it from the other side. Oh my gosh. This should not be this hard. If I don't get it in a couple of seconds, I give up. I'll do it off camera so I don't waste you guys' time. But anyways, that's what I got this month in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. I said blocks again. Box! So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I know I did. I'm actually very, very excited to use this. Both times I've gotten the Plus boxes, initially when I've looked at the previews on the site, I wasn't that excited, but then when I got the things, I was super excited. Totally the same deal this month too, so I think I'm going to stick with the boxes for a while. If they ever start feeling like they're not worth it, I'll bail, but for right now, I'm having fun testing them out. So anyways, that is it for this one. So as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. What was your favorite thing in this box? What did you get in your box if you got one of these? Let me know everything and more down below, or anything about anything at all. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. So anyway guys, till next time, bye bye.